14 names on Amazon right now. Not 14 companies. 14 stickers. Some of them are printed on the same case, out of the same building in Shenzhen, and one sticker costs you $400 more than the one sitting next to it. I pulled the FCC paperwork this month. Every family, worst to best. And the last family on this list is the one I'd actually buy. Not in spite of being a rebadge. Because of it. Here's what this costs when you get it wrong. Storm hits. You plug in the $300 unit you bought off a 5-star listing. Hour 4, it's dead. You go looking for the warranty page, and the company doesn't exist anymore. No phone number. No parts. Nobody. That already happened to thousands of people. I'll show you the federal filing in about 90 seconds. That's not bad luck. That's homework nobody did. Every check I run before I trust a box with my fridge and my sump pump is at wattexposed.com. Take 20 minutes. It's cheaper than the mistake. Now, Family 1. The Graveyard. A EIUSNY. September 2025, the CPSC told owners to stop using them. 24 reports of fires and explosions. 3 people hurt badly enough to need medical treatment. 10 property damage claims, about $450,000. And the maker, a Shenzhen e-commerce outfit, would not cooperate on a recall. Those units sold on Amazon from 2016 to 2022, up to $420. Verdict. If one is in your garage, stop using it today. RockPals and Paxess. Both still show up in search results. RockPal's own site now points you at a successor brand, and warranty support is effectively gone. Verdict. Skip. A warranty you can't cash is just more printing on the box. One thing before the next family, because everything after this depends on it. There are 3 layers in this aisle, and almost everybody mashes them together. Layer 1 is the cell maker, EVECATLREPT. Layer 2 is the pack house that buys those cells and adds the BMS, the inverter, and the case. Layer 3 is the brand, which is very often an LLC with a trademark and an Amazon seller account. The same cell can end up in a $200 box and an $800 box. Which brings me to the receipt, because the next family is the one place I have a document instead of a hunch. Grecell. The trademark is owned by one Shenzhen e-commerce company. The hardware is certified under a completely different one, Shenzhen Intelligent Energy, under FCC grantee code 2A4UP. That same grantee code is stamped on that factory's own name units. The 2 FCC IDs differ by a few characters in the middle. Same line. 2 stickers. Only one of them buys ads. And the gap between those 2 stickers is the entire point of this video. Pull the listings up side by side. Same capacity, same port layout, same molded case, same manual. And the factory's own name unit routinely lands well under the branded one. Nothing inside the box changed. The marketing budget did. Marbe Row, Flashfish, Togo Power. I can't prove one factory for those 3, and I'm not going to say I can. What I can tell you is that a single 15-volt, 60-watt replacement charger is sold as fitting Grecell, Marbe Row. Flashfish and 4 other labels. Draw your own conclusion. Verdict, fine for a phone, a laptop, a CPAP. Nothing with a motor in it. Everything so far has been under 1,000 watt-hours. The next family is where the real money changes hands. Oupes. Trademark owned by Shenzhen Shun Energy Storage. AllPowers files under its own grantee code 2A4PQ. Fossibot is its own registered company, and yes, half the internet will tell you Fossibot is OKTL wearing a hat. The registration records show 2 separate companies. I'm not saying a thing I can't document. Here's the honest part. Oupes gets knocked, correctly, for high idle drain on the 2,000-watt models. Leave one in storage switched on, and it'll bleed itself flat. But credit where it's earned. They price real lithium iron phosphate aggressively, they ship from inside the United States, and they back it with a 5-year warranty. That's more than most of this list can say. Verdict, buy it on sale, and switch it off in the closet. Vtoman. Independent bench testing on the 1,548 watt-hour unit measured about 80% round-trip efficiency, and the output held between 119 and 121 volts under load. That's a measured number, not a box number. Verdict, honest hardware, unremarkable price. Quick score, 3 brands dead. 3 good for a laptop and nothing more. 4 honest budget units. And the 2 biggest names in this aisle still haven't shown up. Family 4 is the one that fools people who think they're playing it safe. Legacy American names. Duracell power stations are built under license by Battery Biz, a California company that also licenses the Goodyear name and the American Red Cross name. That's not an insult. It's just not what the copper top on that box implies. And DeWalt, those yellow boxes are 20-volt battery inverters and jump starters, not lithium iron phosphate solar generators. Different category entirely. Verdict: don't cross-shop them. You're buying a logo you already trust, applied to a build you haven't checked. And the family I flagged at the start, the rebadge that's actually the best buy, it's last. 2 names first. Bluetti is Shenzhen Power Oak New Ener. Grantee code 2AYT3. They design their own packs, their own BMS, their own inverter, and they reportedly buy cells from EVE and CATL. Hold that thought. EcoFlow, Anker Licks, Jack Air Re. Same story, same cell suppliers, better apps. Anker claims 10,000 cycles and a 15-year design life on its 2 kilowatt-hour unit. That is the manufacturer's claim, measured on the manufacturer's bench. Verdict: buy these and you are buying a support desk, firmware, and resale value. Those are real things to buy. They are just not the battery. Which brings me to the one I told you about at the start. Pecron, low marketing budget, and they also build for other people, which is exactly why the price works. Same lithium iron phosphate chemistry as the marquee brands. The 1536 watt-hour unit puts out 2200 watts, claims 3500 cycles, and reviewers who tested it called it the cheapest thing in its class. The 1000 watt-hour model, 1500 watts of output, has sold at $329 against a $500 list price. Put that beside a marquee 1000 watt-hour unit with the same chemistry and the same capacity, and there's your $400 sticker. Nothing else changed. Now the catch, and I'm not burying it at the bottom. The warranty. One owner on a solar forum reported a unit that started smoking and then waited on a slow response. That's the trade. You are handing back the support desk to keep the money. If you need somebody to answer the phone in year 4, pay the premium and buy the marquee. If you want the hardware, this is the hardware. Recap. AEIUSNY. Rock Pals, Paxess, Dead, Skip, Grecell, small loads only. And now you know the grantee code. Oupes, on sale, switched off in storage. Pecron, the most watt-hours per dollar in the aisle, and the warranty is what you pay for it. If you're working under $500, the next one ranks every unit at that price. Subscribe if you want it, and names the Warehouse Club bundle that sneaks a $600 unit under the line.